I just combine two bowls, it will form a sphere. Okay, so this is more of a like a hemisphere. Okay, so for a mirror, we generally have to cover a side, like whether this one, whether the inner side or the outer side, with something reflective, some shiny surface. That's why we call now that what is a plane mirror? A plane mirror is something in which light comes and just bounces back with the respect of its shiny surface. Don't we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So this is a plain glass bowl, plain glass hemisphere. Clear? Now I just paint. Generally, the mirrors are formed by a silver paint. Okay, we just simply silver paint them. Okay, if I paint the inner edges of this bowl, so this will be my mirror. What kind of mirror is this? Is it a
Convex.
it is a convex mirror. Okay, and if I just paint the outer side, then it will be
Concave mirror.
concave mirror. Clear? Okay, now tell me which kind of mirror is used as a rear view mirror in our cars.
Rear view mirror is convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Okay, why so?
And because it shows a virtual objects, so it
It
will
show virtual image.
virtual and erect image, so it will not
And
disturb our
last,
body. Virtual and erect image.
okay, but virtual and erect image is shown by my plane mirror too. So why don't I use plane mirror over there?
Ma'am, plane mirror shows the like the height of a person is equal. Will be the reflection will be equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
If we used it in rear view mirror, as
if
they
we use,
appear before.
so they will show the image of the exact sign. Like if a car is a meter behind from me, then it will only show the car is a meter behind me. But if I am using convex mirror, so in that case, if a car is a meter behind me, then it will show me like the car is more towards me. It's closer to me. Okay, so it's more of a safety precaution. Clear? Hello?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Clear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, what do you mean by radius of curvature, focus, principal axis? Quick one line definitions.
Okay, ma'am. Radius of curvature, we can say that the radius of a spherical mirror,
Okay.
and we can focal length can be defined as half of this radius of a circle.
Very good. Or one more definition of focus for me. There's a one more definition of focus. I'm asking you.
More definition.
Yeah, there's a one more definition of focus. What's it? If you have any idea with
No,
respect to this bowl theory.
the distance between the focus and the pole.
If this the center of the what do we call the center of the
Mirror.
sphere, the center of the sphere
Yeah.
is focus.
Okay.
Okay, the center of the sphere from which my convex and concave mirrors are formed now, it is
Yes.
focus. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just quickly, if you remember, just tell me that how many cases are there. You don't know how to draw the ray diagrams, or don't you?
Yes, ma'am. I know
You
that.
know. Okay, ray diagrams are really very important. Point number one, they're very scoring.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and to be honest, they're very easy. I'll just teach you some like tricks that I just had at my time when I have to remember all these. Like it's not more of, I think so that you might also know that. You just keep the object, bring it towards the mirror,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the image goes far from the mirror.
Yeah.
So there's like some step 2 through 3 steps, and these are very important. Okay. So now, okay, mirror formula.
That formula is equal to 1 by length 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f.
1 by f. Very good.
Ma'am, by the way, I have some doubts in that mirror formula, ma'am, and
Yes,
length
yes, you can
formula.
ask me. Yeah, you ask me. What are the
Ma'am,
doubts?
like if they gave the magnification, I'm unable to find the like if they gave the magnification and the distance between the object. mirror and the
Okay.
object. And I was so confused which value he should take, that is negative or positive.
Okay. So if the image is like right side of the mirror, just imagine like if this is my mirror,
Okay.
this is my, I'm talking about concave mirror over here. Okay. The concave mirror. If my object is on front of the mirror, like where my object should ideally be,